This is the medicine that actually kept me alive. I vomited once. The cramps hit so hard. Can you guess who has sent me all this? So, it is that time of the month. Hi, my cute little muffins. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Muffin. I know I'm sounding very low, that I am on my periods. Like, it's the very first day. Cramps are hitting like hell. I'm already in my bathrobe. Just to tell you that कुछ भी करने से पहले what I do on my period day is I take a very long warm shower because that heals. ये कोई fancy Pinterest vlog नहीं होगी क्योंकि I don't understand how girls fantasize so much this day. You guys are very lucky if you fall into that category. But मुझे जब periods होता है ना, I feel like कि मुझे कोई भी नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ I just want my boyfriend और else मुझे कोई भी नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कोई food नहीं चाहिए, कोई पिज़्ज़ा विज़्ज़ा हॉट चॉकलेट कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. I just want a hot water bag. I just want to lay down and I want nothing. So this will be a very realistic period day in my life.
1, 2, 3. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Tchau, preguiça. Tchau, sujeira. Adeus, cheirinho de suor.
Hi guys, so I am ready with my most comfort outfit. Like, the more old is your t-shirt, the more comfort you get in that. So this is my very old t-shirt. I know there are stains of cooking and all of that, and my period pain is a little less right now and it can hit anytime. So before it hits me again, I will make myself a warm cup of adrak wali chai because I heard it from my mom once that ginger is very good for your period cramps. So let's come. The smell is so nice. So in the meantime, let me just hang my clothes in the balcony. I washed it just now. And this is the pathetic part of adulting, because no matter how much pain or cramps you're having, you have to do your daily chores. It's so pathetic. Thank God I'm not having my pain right now. I'm just praying every now and then कि बस यार हनुमान जी ये क्रैम्प्स मत देना. The smell of adrak wali chai has no competition, trust me. Dude, I forgot to give sugar, though I am not having sugar due to my workout routine, but I have to give stevia. This is so nice. Like simple butter toast. So at least have something with your chai. Otherwise it can, increase your period pain. But trust me, I don't have the energy right now to take out aesthetic plates and eat on that. I literally can't. कौन है जो दोबारा टेक टू? कौन है ये जो दोबारा मुझे नहीं लेगा? Who is it? Guys, just see the weather. It became so gloomy suddenly. Just see the sky, just see the weather. guys, a very good evening. It's 5:30 p.m. right now. I just woke up. I was having extremely bad period cramps. I just couldn't bear it. Toughest part was nobody was there with me, and I was feeling like I'll faint, like I was feeling dizzy. I vomited once. The cramps hit so hard that I didn't have my lunch. Like I couldn't, because I have to go up to the kitchen, I have to cook or something. I didn't had that patience also to order something online. इतना ज़्यादा क्रैम्स हो रही थी, मैं बेडरूम से मेरी वॉशरूम तक चल के नहीं जा पाती हूँ, बिकॉज माई entire legs pain, my lower abdomen, my waist, everything, it feels like somebody is stabbing me with a sharp knife. And मुझे तो उस वक्त कुछ रोमांटिसाइज होती नहीं है, सो आई स्किप्ड माई लंच. आई नो यू शुडेंट, बट I just couldn't bear it. Okay, so let me tell you that this is the medicine that actually kept me alive. The Meftospaz, I hope you know this medicine. Every girls know this medicine. So this is the one thing that actually saved my life. Otherwise, I don't know what would I have done. I decided to switch on all the lights and just comb my hair, because I took a warm shower in the morning, and then after that I didn't apply serum on my hair, neither did I combed my hair due to the pain I was having. So I thought to just freshen up myself, give a nice comb and massage to my hair scalp, and then I decided to light an agarbatti and just do some puja, because I really believe that prayer heals you from inside. So maybe now I feel that I am kind of romanticizing it now when I have absolutely no cramps. Nobody in this world can take my love away from iced coffee. I mean, this is literal heaven. So while I sip my iced coffee, I decided to do some journaling right now. I mean, I just felt kuch to kaam aaye aaj ke din. Like, let me just be a little productive, as I always see in Pinterest. So just to get that vibe, I'll journal. So this is what I wrote today. I am so glad to be a part of this universe. In spite of this pain I experience every single month, I thank God to create such a beautiful aspect of femininity. Women bleed to embrace motherhood one day, and that feels so magical. Radhe Radhe. Okay, so can you guess who has sent me all this? It's of course my boyfriend. This is the Kit Kat dark chocolate. This is a dark chocolate also, and these are my favorite Indian OG chocolates that I have been eating from childhood, and I guess you have been too. And one Lay's ki chips ki packet. Okay, so let me share something with you guys. I have been born and brought up in an atmosphere where I have always seen men in my family prioritizing the women in the family on their period days. I have always grown up seeing this, that when mom used to have her periods, dad used to do all the cooking and all the household chores and everything, and ma used to rest. And I'm very lucky that when I grew up, dad used to do the same for me. And now that I have a partner, my boyfriend does the same for me. He has taken a half day from his office, despite he has a very busy schedule. He has got all this for me because he knows that dark chocolate kind of reduces period cramps. Yesterday I saw one reel where I saw a content creator. She is a female, I don't want to name her. She was telling that men doesn't actually give credit to a woman during her periods. Like when they fall sick, they become a baby, and when we want to be pampered during our period days, they be like, this happens every month. But this is not my case, and I want to tell her and all the girls out there who believes in this, that you will get real man in your life. Wait for the time, and when you will get a real man in your life, you will never say this. This is Kit Kat's dark chocolate, and I'm very surprised ki how come this is so good. Like Kit Kat is our childhood chocolate. But Kit Kat dark chocolate is so good, and this are proper period cravings. And someone like me who has a lot of sweet tooth, my name has muffin in it. I love sweet things so much. This is the perfect one. Mm. So I have finished cooking my dinner, but there is a but. I will be having a mini solo date with myself because I'm feeling much better. So have a look. So this is my setup, a mini date with myself. I just made myself some noodles. I hope you can see it. I have kept this ketchup because I can't have noodles without this. And of course Netflix में मैं कुछ देखूंगी. It will be ये जवानी है दीवानी most probably. So let me enjoy.
गुड़िया री गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया जोड़ी आसमानी
Hi guys, so I am so tired right now. I know I'll crash into bed anytime. So I'm done with my hair, and I'll just do my skincare. I just have one step skincare. No, actually two step. I have cleansed my face, and I'm using this night gel moisturizer, and that's it. And I'll go off to bed. So wish you sweet dreams and good night. We will meet up super duper soon on some other video. Till then, as I always say, stay happy, stay healthy. Toodles.